Welcome back to the channel. I am nurse practitioner Evelyn, your trusted men's health and obesity specialist. Here we empower you with real science-backed solutions to help you take control over your health, reclaim your confidence, and live your absolute best life. If you are new here, welcome to the family. And to our loyal subscribers, thank you for always showing up. Today's topic is on how you can fix ED without pills. How you can fix erectile dysfunction without pills. The question here is, can you fix ED without pills? The answer is yes. And yes, how? Let me give you a definition of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a consistent inability to attain and maintain penile erection sufficient for sexual satisfaction. If you think the only fix for erectile dysfunction is popping pills, think again. What if I told you that ED can often be reversed naturally with no drugs, no gimmicks, just science-based solution that works? Number one, the truth about erectile dysfunction. ED is not just about performance. It's a warning sign. It often points to deeper health problems like obesity, like high blood pressure, like poor circulation, and like low testosterone hormones. Pills may give you a temporary fix, but they won't treat the root cause. Here are 5 natural ways to reverse erectile dysfunction. Number 1, lose excess weight. Studies shows that losing just 10% of your body fat can dramatically improve ED. Belly fat lowers testosterone and block blood flow. And that is why people that have extra weight on their belly suffer from erectile dysfunction mostly. Number 2, strength training. Lifting weight boosts your natural testosterone, and it also improves blood vessels health. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions a week, recommended. 3 to 4 sessions of strength exercise. Number 3, fix your diet. Avoid processed carbs and sugar. Go for leafy vegetables or leafy greens, healthy fat, and lean protein. Your arteries, which is your blood vessels, and hormones will thank you for diet adjustment. Sleep and stress is important. Poor sleep lowers your testosterone. Chronic stress increase your cortisol. Both of these kills erection. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep and manage stress. 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. And you manage stress with mindful and deep breathing. Reconnect. If your brain is desensitizing, you may not respond to real intimacy. Get your brain focused. Take a break from screen and rewire your desire. Thousands of men have reversed their ED naturally with these exact strategies. It starts with taking your health seriously. Don't rely on pills forever. Pills are temporary solution. If this sounds good to you, hit on the like button, comment, subscribe for real talk on men's health, and join this movement that's life-changing. This is your nurse practitioner, NP Evelyn. See you in the next educational video on your health. Don't suffer in silence. Your comeback starts now. Remember to live your absolute best life.